Hey guys, what's up? We really need to talk about Virgin Galactic right now because this really could be the last time you get to buy in the price range it's been trading at between $15 and $17 over the last 2 months. In this video, I'm going to explain why we haven't seen the stock price shoot up yet and what it's going to take for it to do that. Now, I have some super valuable information I'm going to provide to you guys in this video, so stay tuned. It's definitely worth your time. Okay, before we get into this video guys, if I could ask you to drop a like on the video. This is a super new channel and it helps out the channel grow tremendously and also brings more exposure to Virgin Galactic. Any more retail investors we can get into the stock will help push the stock price up. So if you want to support that cause, commenting on this video, liking it, and subscribing all help. Okay, let's get into it. Okay guys, first things first, I want to look at the chart over the past year and see what's been going on with Virgin Galactic stock. And then after, I'm going to give you 2 reasons why we haven't seen the share price surge yet and what it's going to take in order for it to do that. Okay, so as you guys probably already know, back in February, the stock price shot up to $42 a share, and then COVID hit and it went all the way down back to $11 a share. Now, since then, we've seen quite drastic swings in price, but I really want to focus on what's going on right now. So before we do that though, let's look at July. You can see it July 15th, it shot up to around $26 around July 22nd. And then the share price dropped, and over the last month now, we've been trading between $15 and $17. So why did the share price drop and why isn't it climbing back up? There's 2 main reasons for this. One, because of time delays. People are losing a bit of trust in Virgin Galactic's timelines. We were supposed to see commercial flights happen this year. That's been delayed till the first quarter of 2021 now. So until Virgin Galactic starts having accurate timelines, people aren't going to take it too seriously. And that's also probably why we haven't seen a surge in stock price yet, even when such a critical event is coming October 22nd, when they can do their next test flight and possibly get FAA approved. So that's one reason, is time delays. The second reason is fear. There's gonna be so much fear in this company until they actually prove that they can fly safely. So I'm sure you feel some of this pressure yourself when you're investing in Virgin Galactic. It's like you're really hoping that they don't crash and you're trusting that they know what they're doing. Well, you also got to think on a customer standpoint. It's like, okay, I got to really trust these guys with my life, but I haven't seen them actually perform a commercial flight yet, so can I trust them? Virgin Galactic isn't at the stage where they've proven themselves yet. The second they prove themselves, then demand is going to shoot up and the stock price is going to shoot up with it. So as an investor, how can you be confident in investing in Virgin Galactic right now, knowing they keep on delaying events and there's this huge fear of a possible crash occurring? Well, for me, I keep on going back to one thing, and that's their management team. Anytime I get in my head where I'm like, oh, should I be invested in this stock? I mean, how can I trust these guys if they know what they're doing and there's not going to be an accident that's just going to ruin this business? And well, in order to put that kind of trust into a company like this, you have to look who's leading the company. And one person in particular who gives me great confidence is actually George Whitesides, who was the previous CEO and is now the Chief Space Officer of Virgin Galactic. Now, the reason why George gives me so much confidence in this company is because prior to Virgin Galactic, George served as Chief of Staff for NASA. Upon departure from the American Space Agency, he received the Distinguished Service Medal, the highest award the agency confers. So I love the fact that Virgin Galactic has a guy like George who has so much experience in the space industry with NASA and now 10 years with Virgin Galactic building this company up from ground zero. So with him on board, I feel quite confident on the space side of things that he can make it happen. And then as their new CEO, Michael Colglazier, I don't think you can find a better guy to make this a tourism business that is entertaining for the customers. Prior to joining Virgin Galactic, Michael served as president and managing director of Disney Parks International. Michael had an extensive career at Disney spanning over 30 years, where he drove new businesses and growth strategies across the world with a focus on product innovation and customer growth. And then the third guy that really gives me confidence is Chamath Palihapitiya. He's a billionaire who brought this company public through his SPAC And then even after doing that, he invested a couple $100 million of his own money into Virgin Galactic. And since day one, he's really believed in this company. He's talked about how they're going to have software-like margins and that demand is not going to be an issue. These three guys is what really gives me confidence. You have George, who understands the space side of the business. You have Michael Colglazer, who understands the tourism side of the business. And then you have Chamath Palihapitiya, who understands this as a good investment side, which obviously is very relevant to us investing in a company. So if you're finding yourself unsure if you should be investing in Virgin Galactic right now, looking at the management team might be really reassuring and is probably really important to do right now. So if you still feel unconfident with Virgin Galactic and you're unsure if you should be invested with them, looking at their management team should give you more confidence that these guys are a lot smarter than most of us and probably know what they're doing. So what is it going to take for us to get out of this $15 to $17 range? Well, I can say this to you. We are near a bottom. This is basically the bottom of where Virgin Galactic stock is going to be. $15 is a very strong support line. And then lower than that, this next support line is around $10. But even after all these time delays, we still haven't really gone under $15 for more than a couple hours. So unless something horrific happens, we shouldn't see it go under that number. And even if it does, it should bounce back quite quickly. Now, I can honestly say I don't see a better risk versus reward situation in the stock market right now. I see us at the lowest level we're gonna be trading at. And then the second Virgin Galactic can bring confidence to investors that they have their product down and their timeline is going to happen, that's when we're gonna see institutional and retail investors get the confidence to invest in Virgin Galactic, and this stock is going to soar. The best time to invest into a stock is before the hype. Think about it. If you invested into any of these EV companies like Tesla, Workhorse, Hyliion, before all the hype, you would have made massive returns. The same thing is going to happen to Virgin Galactic. The second they're FAA approved or that Richard Branson is going to space, the media is going to be all over that. It's going to be the biggest talk in the market. And that's just a matter of when, not really a matter of if. So I made this video more of a conversation with you guys to help you understand what Virgin Galactic stock is doing right now, why we haven't seen movement, and what it's going to take for us to push to new highs. Let me know in the comments down below if you're currently invested in Virgin Galactic and what brings you confidence in this company to be invested in them prior to any revenues or a proven business yet. If you guys enjoy this kind of video, please let me know by dropping a like on it and comment down below. It helps me understand what you guys like to see and what you don't like to see. And feel free to subscribe because I will be doing many more videos on Virgin Galactic that are going to be of great value for you guys. All right, I'll see you in the next video.